Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is When Entitled Woman Thinks They're Above the Law.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
Oh!
One or two. She just kicked me. Get back in your car.
She donkey kicked her. Oh no, hold up. Hold up. She hit her with that Shawn Michaels Sweet Chin music.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
Oh!
One or two. She just kicked me. Get back in your car.
See, you gotta be a stand-up person to keep you cool, man. You gonna let somebody kick you and not do nothing? Like, that's... Man, you gotta be strong to be a cop, man. I ain't gonna stop it no more. I'm gonna let it rock, but we gotta watch it one more time, though.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say. One or two. She just kicked me. Get back in your car. Why are you harassing me? I'm not. Get back in your car. Get back in your car. Get back in your car. No, we're not pulling you out. Why are you yelling? Because you're coming at us on a traffic stop. Yes, no one ordered you. Yes, it is. What traffic stop is it? What did I violate? It is a traffic stop. Get over on the sidewalk. Oh, that's fine, but what did I violate? Get over on the sidewalk. What did I violate? Over on the sidewalk. Can you read me my rights? What did I violate? No, I'm not reading you your rights. Why are you pulling me over? Why are you? There's no reasonable search procedure. We don't need to search my car. I'm just making sure there's no one else in it. You're aggressive. For what? Will you listen? No, because you're aggressive. First off, you don't have any lights on in this vehicle. I do have my lights on. Your lights are not on. I just turned them off because I pulled over my car's off. I just followed you. I have it on camera. Then I just asked you, would you harass me? You said no, so you're lying. I'm not harassing you. But I just asked you, would you follow me? You follow me for a block. My car has been turning off. Because I'm pretty sure I watched you go the wrong way down 6th Street. Because my car has been turning off. I will turn it up and it's going to turn right off. Okay. I cannot drive it. Okay. It's physically not able to drive. That's why I turned down the wrong way, because my car is stiff when I turn it on. I watched you follow me. That's why I pull over and turn it off and turn it on. Because soon as I will show you now, if I turn it off and turn it on, it's going to turn right back off. I cannot drive. But I'm also telling you, okay, I'm not harassing you. Okay. When I watched you back out of that parking spot, because you knew I was there, I watched you watch me. I watched you back into a car. I heard it. I didn't hit the car. And then you pulled away. I didn't hit the car. And then your lights were not on. If I hit the car, what damage? You didn't hit it very hard, but I heard you hit the car, and I watched you move. You're constantly lying. Not necessarily. You're constantly lying. How can you sit here and say that I'm lying? Because for one, you already lied when I asked you where you were following me and harassing me. That's harassing me, following me. Because you should have pulled me over originally when you first see me. That's a lie. But I couldn't. You could have. No. You have a driver's license? Yes, ma'am, I do. Do you have it on you? Run my plates. I already have. No, I don't. Are you? What's your name? Driver's license. You don't have to be aggressive. What is your name? Run my plates. You will see my driver's license. I know my rights. You're not going to be aggressive. What is your name? Run my plates. I have license. Are you failing to identify yourself? Ma'am, I know my rights. Run my plates. Because before I identify myself, you can run my plates to know who I am. Try to know if I have license. I don't know who you are. Or do I know I have a warrant? By Illinois law, you are required to produce identification when an officer requests on a traffic stop. I will now give you right to go to my car. My license, actually not my license, my identification is in my door. And then for two, you have Illinois rights to run my place without me even knowing. So yeah, you know who I am, and if I have insurance, I've never interacted with you. I have no idea who you are. Exactly, because you have the rights and the willpower and the insurance and the technology too. So stop it. You can't know who I am without me telling you. Will I give it to you? Yes, I can, because I'm not withholding it from you. All I'm asking you if you follow me. All I'm saying, my car is not. It's only been stopping because I cannot drive it. Okay, where's your identification? In my car, somewhere in my car, probably either in the door or in my wallet. Okay, can I go find it? I will get it for you. At this point in time, I'm not comfortable letting you back in the vehicle. It's right there in the door. I'm not.
Didn't she just say, I'm giving you permission, you could go grab it, and now she want to change her mind and say, no, well, when she asked her, can I go grab it? No, you know you can't. Like, come on, man, make up your mind. Listen, as a lady, the last ones you want to run into as officers is lady cops, man. Because for the most part, they gonna get you together. Now, I don't know, they I don't know about these ones, but for the most part, they is gonna get you together. So, I don't know, she better tighten up, man.
It's in the door. Okay, so if it's in the door, can I go in the door and grab it? You can go in the door. Okay. gonna stay right there, though. Okay.
Can I sit in my car? It's freezing.
Yeah, you can sit in your car. Well, what is in this car that shouldn't be in this car?
I just regular shit.
Damn,
Okay,
minivan?
just standing here with this car open, with this door open, talking to you, and you smell marijuana. Is there marijuana in the car?
Just roaches, blunts that's on the floor, that's it.
Just roaches and blunts on the floor? Do you understand that you can't have any kind of cannabis?
Not blunts, but just tobacco, my bad. I'll flash my, I don't even know.
But why? That doesn't smell like tobacco. That smells like marijuana.
There's no weed in the car, I promise you. Like, this is this. I smoke a lot in my car because I live with a friend.
Okay, that's, can I see that, please?
It's just this, sir.
Yeah, that's a marijuana smoking device.
It's no weed in there. I can't smoke in my apartment. It's illegal to smoke in your apartment.
It's illegal to smoke in your car.
While driving.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not driving. I smoke in my car, just sitting in my car.
Ma'am, I'm not sitting. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, you're old enough to know better.
Weed.
You know that you cannot have drug paraphernalia in a car.
It's not in my car.
You can't have weed in your car.
It's
you
not
can't
in my
sit
car.
and smoke in your car.
I'm not smoking in my car. I'm not sitting here. I'm not smoking.
So you're telling me that's not a marijuana smoking device that I'm looking at right there?
But there's no weed in there. It's not
There's
loaded.
resin in there. It doesn't have to be loaded. Have you smoked? When was the last time you smoked?
Like a couple hours ago.
See, and this is why I always be telling, this is why I go on the rants with the smokers, man. Now, this would have never even sparked up if he would have never smelled the odor of marijuana, man. You gotta, can't be doing that stuff, man. And having that smell in there. You don't smoke in your house, so you smoke in the car. Why would you smoke in the car? Like, it's bad enough that people smoke in their house and have it on in their hair and all their clothes and all of that stuff and go in their car. And they may not necessarily even be smoking in the car, but they smoked before they started driving, so a cop can smell it. And that sparks them to want to search your vehicle. She's the complete opposite. She don't smoke in the house. She smokes in the car. So every time she gets pulled over, they're going to smell the odor of marijuana because she probably smoked so much that, you know, it's in the fabric. It's in that. You're just asking for trouble. You're just asking for trouble. That's a valid reason for them to start searching your car every time.
Okay, so are you high right now?
No, I'm not high.
See, here we go. Here come the questions.
There's not even nothing in there to smoke. What's that to smoke? Stop playing.
I'm not playing. I'm being 100% serious.
I don't even have an ashtray, sir. Like, they don't even have an ashtray. Where am I supposed to even put weed to ash on the floor? It keeps flashing. There's just tobacco there on the ground.
Well, be that as it may, this is what's going to happen. She's checking right now to see if you damaged the vehicle. If she's willing to raise her right hand and swear that this vehicle struck that vehicle, then we got bigger problems than just driving the wrong way on a one-way. Okay, the hitter pipe, you're not going to keep that in a vehicle. So I need you to give me the hitter pipe.
That's fine.
Is there any other drugs or contraband in this vehicle?
No, this is the juice, the water, and that.
Okay, so to be sure, what I'm going to have you do is exit this vehicle, and we're going to sit you in a nice warm squad car with no handcuffs, just nice and comfortable, because what I have is probable cause to search this car. Now, I appreciate your honesty, and you're telling me there's nothing else in here. I'm making sure there's no more drug paraphernalia, and there's no more marijuana in this car.
I'm asking probable cause for what?
To search your car for marijuana, you cannot have cannabis in a car.
It's not no cannabis in. I just told you.
This is a pipe with resin.
It's not
resin. Resin is cannabis.
The cannabis is actual flower.
Ma'am, I'm not going to debate it with you. I'm asking you to exit the vehicle.
Can I talk to your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
I'm another supervisor.
I need you to exit the vehicle.
That is the supervisor. Oh, boy.
Okay, then we'll be able to take care of this real quick.
That's fine. I don't have nothing to hide, but all I'm saying is I don't have no weed in the car.
Okay, great. We're going to make sure of that. Okay, go ahead and exit the vehicle.
I need to talk to somebody else because nobody's listening to me.
Ma'am, are you refusing to exit the vehicle?
I'm not refusing.
Listen, I'm not playing a numbers game here. We're not going to count to 3. I'm ordering you out of the car. Are you refusing to exit the vehicle?
Can I talk to somebody else? This is not fair. I'm being honest with you. I'll let you go to my car. I only went to grab some food. That's it. I'm not smoking. I'm not doing none of that. If that was the case, I would have a blunt. I don't even smoke out of that.
I'm going to ask one more time, ma'am, then I'm going to remove you from your vehicle. You decide how you exit the vehicle.
Because how is that resin?
Are you exiting the vehicle, or
I
am I
am going to
removing you
exit
from
the
the
vehicle,
vehicle?
but I'm
You're
just
what?
asking you.
Okay, then step over here and I'll
How is
explain
that
it to you.
resin? That's not even evidence of me smoking
Get out
in
of
the
the car.
car.
Exit the vehicle.
Ooh.
You guys are doing this for what?
Because we're here to protect and serve the public, and we can't
What
have
public?
people.
What am I doing wrong? I'm not doing nothing wrong,
You're
though.
driving the wrong way in a one-way.
I told you why, because my car was in
hit
the
a
middle
vehicle.
of
You have
the
a
road
marijuana
because it
smoking
turned
device.
off.
I'm not here to negotiate with you. I'm
You're just
ordering you
assuming
out
you're
of the
projecting.
vehicle.
I'm getting out.
Step out.
You're projecting on me, and that's fine. I'm gonna. What's your badge name? I'm out of the car, so you don't
To the
touch
back.
me.
To the back.
I'm out of the car. Can I get your badge name? I'm out of the car.
Let's go.
What?
Okay.
Why is your hands on me? I'm not defending.
Because you have an issue being able to follow instructions.
No, now you're making up
Have a seat.
excuses.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I'm seated.
Put your feet inside the
Inside
car.
the
I'm
car.
not-
Put your feet inside
I know my rights. You
Okay.
guys-
Okay.
I know my
Stop.
rights.
Stop. Greg.
You're not gonna put your hands on me. I know my rights.
You're under arrest. You're now under
As
arrest.
for why? I'm
For
not
obstructing
refusing.
justice. For obstructing justice. Put your hands behind your back.
It's okay, bro. I'm not obstructing justice because I know. Why are y'all putting me? I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing. I'm not. Down, man. Y'all gonna take it. I'm just asking for your badge number, and you have the right to give it to me.
Just don't talk to her. Search her. Secure.
Oh. Ask her.
No,
have you guys
Mirandize her.
Yeah, Mirandize her and ask her if she knows her Rachel. No, I got it.
Unbelievable. Nah, at least she putting her gloves on.
Alright. I'm gonna read you something here real quick.
I'm okay. You gotta read me that.
Okay. Well, I'm going to.
I don't want to hear that.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say. That's the video on her too. She just kicked me. She's catching ag back too. She just kicked me when I tried to read her Miranda.
Wow. Wow. Ex-teacher opens up. What the? 9 years ago, ex-teacher opens up about affair with student, including notes and sexy selfies. Oh my God. Yo, these teachers nowadays, man, these teachers is wild. I'm telling you, they wild, man. They wild, man. These teachers nowadays is wild, man. We hear it all the time. All the time. But anyway, that's off subject. Man, she's a wild animal. I ain't gonna lie to you. That kick was just so uncalled for. So uncalled for. Hopefully she get a little bit of time and not just some court fines, which that's what people normally get. So, you know. Anyway, the officers, they did okay, man. They did okay in my eyes, man. They did okay, but overall, I'm gonna give them a 5. You know, they did their job. You know what I mean? But gotta stop that smoking, man. That smoking that's the number one thing that's gonna get your car searched, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.